the early morning. Passenger door swings open wide. Glen hops inside the seat, coffee in the cup holder. 13 miles of Warwick, just a stretch of Route 66. At the Seaba Station shop, stealing rubber in a row, chroming engines on the floor where the legends used to go. On museum by the road, history in every frame. At the Seaba Station shop, nothing ever feels the same. Rows of Macos and the Macos and the BMWs, red paint on a Ducati Triumph standing near the British flags. Harley's leaning on the side. We counted every single cylinder, gears and grease and metal. Sunlight hits the engine back. Found a sticker wrapped the tail out